In the eCREW project, we aim to motivate and empower people to become members of energy communities. Energy communities are a great way to enable people to use energy more efficiently together and to benefit from renewable energies.
In addition, we created and implemented an IT solution, the eCREW app, that makes it possible for crew members, including pro and consumers, to analyze not only their own, but the crew's energy flow as a whole. By developing a crew dashboard and analysis page, we extended the functionality of our existing energy cockpit with transparency about shared energy within crews, thereby enabling groups of households to share self-produced renewable energy.
To support communities to share energy, energy providers need sustainable business models to keep the energy community going. We tried and tested these models in 3 cities all over Europe. The tested business models are centered around the eCREW's crew concept and brings together the consumers, producers, and the retailing companies that also act as the community administrating entities. Through the eCREW business models, the crew members who need to buy electricity can purchase the excess electricity generated by the crew at a lower price. Producers in the crew can sell their excess electricity at a higher price, and the community administrating entity receive their premium accordingly.
Our lighthouse community is located in the Haßberge, a rural area in the center of Germany. We have a high share of renewable energy production and a modern infrastructure, energy storage facilities, and the fact that all our clients are equipped with smart meters makes us to a top candidate for research delegation visits, projects and energy awards. The people who live here know that, and they are proud to be a part of the energy transition and always keen to learn more about new projects and technologies. We, the Stadtwerk Haßfeld GmbH, as the local energy supplier and service provider, want them to also personally benefit from these favorable conditions, not only as a shareholder in one of the cooperatives, for example, but also directly as a conventional energy consumer. With the new European Energy Directive, this should become possible. So we joined the eCREW Research Consortium and actively promoted the idea of a local energy community amongst our clients. Now you may ask, what is your special recipe to reach such an acceptance? First of all, not getting tired to answer questions. In addition, communicate and explain in simple, understandable manner. And take every feedback individual and personally. Keep the clients informed and be honest about delays or project-related changes, which might affect their expectations.
The Turkish lighthouse community, OEŞ, is located in several buildings in the city of Bursa. OEŞ has 3 cities for implementing the eCREW model at 3 different locations. On the 1st of September 2021, OEŞ had set up their pilot application. The rollout was finally kicked off in October 2022. OEŞ made several meetings with the local site managers for the rollout in October, with the clear aim to expand the eCREW approach and raise more awareness and consumers. For OEŞ, the main purpose for joining the eCREW project was because it has been a priority for them to create awareness in the energy consumption and to provide the infrastructure that will expand the use of the smart meters. The implementation of the smart meters was a new experience for the technical and IT development teams for the Türkiye.
In the Spanish community, 118 households, what is about 330 people, joined the project, which we reach through promoting the project and providing information in different workshops, social media campaigns. The project activities, in addition to disseminating the project, also gave space to people to voice their concern and to ask the energy cooperative of Alcinet for a clear position regarding the energy communities. This made the board of directors of the cooperative more involved and aware of the concerns of its members and led to the creation of the local energy community of Alcinet in March 2023. Some of the lessons that the electric cooperative learned through the eCREW project were that the constant and clear communication is essential, and that face-to-face events are very important to enforce the relationship within the members of the community and the cooperative.
We were able to prove that trustful energy cooperatives and local retailers are ideal administration entities for energy communities. In the case of the eCREW project, we proved that these entities are close to the end users and provide local solutions for prosumers. Second thing is that communities about 100 members are ideal also in terms of size, because this allows also for an easier management of the community and a familiar feeling and relationship among members. Finally, high generation PV communities have higher potential of energy sharing. However, the possibility of extending more PV to other members and allowing for more self-consumption is lower. In terms of good practices, we learned that PV surplus potential can be maximized with behavioral changes by acting on implicit demand response methods through the participating community members, showing them the best use to consume excess of energy based on renewable availability. Also, a centralized one-stop service for inquiries, information sharing are of great help. Important also for the success of the communities is the benchmarking communications and the sharing of success stories among community members.
Our eCREW concept is incredibly relevant for the energy transition because through the CREWs, the eCREW concept enhances energy-related cooperation between people by emphasizing the importance and the applicability of the CREWs consisting of mainly household, including farms, commercial entities, and local governmental bodies.
This project showed us the eCREW concept works. Now it's on us to improve our findings and to expand energy communities to involve more people and to become a vital part of the energy transformation.